Welcome. This tutorial on how to quickly migrate WordPress website from another server whom has access to change the hosting control panel. Let's get started. This video based on Cloudpanel control panel. Log into the control panel, click Manage, then navigate to the file manager of your website. Open htdocs folder. Then open folder with your domain name. Then select WP content folder. Right-click and select Compress. Now create a zip file. Download the zip file and save to local disk. Next, head to the database management section. Click Manage, such as phpMyAdmin, and export the database associated with your website. Save the exported SQL file on your device. Now, we are going to create a new website for migration. Go to the Sites section and click on Add Site. Choose WordPress from the options, then enter the new domain name, site title, and admin username. Click Create. WordPress installation will now begin. Once the installation is complete, to check if your site is live, copy the domain name and paste it into a new tab. Your newly installed WordPress website will open. Next, we'll migrate the website from a.devd.ac to b.devd.ac. Open new website in your control panel with which you want to migrate. Select Manage File Manager. Open htdocs folder. Open Domain folder. Select WP Content folder, then Delete. Now select Add New. Upload File. Upload the zip file containing your old website files into the folder. Once the upload is complete, then extract the file. Open Extracted File folder. Select the WP Content folder, then drag and drop to root directory. Then open root directory. Then delete the folder and zip file. Now, go to the Database Management section in Cloudpanel. Manage. Click Check All, then select Drop. Click Yes. Before importing the database to the new server, we need to replace all references to the old domain with the new domain. Open the exported SQL file in Sublime Text Editor or Notepad. Use the Find and Replace. In the Find field, type the old domain name. In the Replace field, type the new domain name. Click Replace All to update all instances of the old domain. Save the modified SQL file. Now, click on the Import option. Choose SQL file from your local device. And import. Wait for the import process to complete. And that's it. Your website is now successfully migrated into the new hosting server. Test your website to ensure everything is working perfectly. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.